Hey, what's up, you guys? Yeah, we gonna be zoom today, you guys. So while the tractor's warming up this morning, it's actually warmer this morning than it has been the last 2 mornings. It's 57 degrees. But anyway, this is the bedder here. You can barely see it because it's in the weeds. An 8-row bedder. Dan beds up the peanut rolls with this. It has disc blades here that pretty much throw the dirt up in a hump to create a peanut bed. And of course, you guys were asking why does some land, I think somebody asked, why does some land have to be chisel plowed and why does other land have to be ripped? Well, the peanut land here, it had to be first disked and then chisel plowed because the peanut land needs to be soft. The dirt needs to be nice and soft so that whenever that bedder comes through, it'll make up a nice heaped up row. Let me see, there ain't no bedded up stuff here. I'll have to show you one of the rows, but the dirt needs to be nice and soft so it can build up a nice peanut row. Now with the ripper, it doesn't work under the ground. So that's why the dirt doesn't have to be disturbed, like with the chisel plow and when you disc it. And that's called strip tilling. Whenever you're ripping, you strip tilling. You're making a strip only right there where the corn row is gonna be. And with discing and cultivating, you're pretty much disturbing the entire landscape out there to, like I said, get it nice and soft, and you want it to be nice and clean so that when you make up the peanut rows and you plant on it, there's not a bunch of debris on that peanut row, because whenever you go to dig the peanuts, you don't want a bunch of weeds and corn stalks and all of that stuff on your peanut row. So the disc turns the stalks over and the cultivator levels it. It's nice and level out there. It leveled out the chiseled rows, and it also helps to clean up the weeds and things as well. So anyway, that's a little knowledge drop this morning. And like I said, man, I'm about to get on it, you guys. I'm about to really get on it. I just noticed I got a vine hooked up on here though. Let me see. Come here. Oh, that thing is entangled good, ain't it? Come on, you want to be a hassle this morning? Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. You see, I'm trying to be quick about things, and you want to be a booger. It wants to be a booger, you guys. Looks like there's one in the back too. Where did these vines come from? Man. Oh my goodness. Come here. That one. Come on out. I might have gone on the other side. Maybe it'll come out better over here. Okay, maybe I need to be more strategic with it and not use strength. There we go. Oh yeah, so the fact that peanuts grow under the ground, whenever you go to dig the peanuts up, you want the bed that the peanuts are on to be level, so that when you dig them up, it digs them up properly. So that's another reason why peanut fields need to be disc, cultivated, chisel plowed, and then cultivated again, so that that bedder can make up nice, pretty rows. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna be working on it for a while. And we have arrived at the next farm, you guys. I'm gonna get this one knocked out right quick too. When I tell you we're moving along, we are moving along, you guys. Man, I'm telling you, my mindset was stuck on chisel plow for a long time, and that just takes so long. It just seems like I'm moving so fast. But anyway, I'm at the next farm, you guys, so I'm gonna continue to get it in. we can't see. I literally cannot see. I'm glad the tractor's staying in the chiseled rows. So you guys, by finishing the ends on this little field here, I noticed I got a broken sweep. I asked Danny to bring me some tools to go ahead and get it changed out. I hope it ain't gonna be a problem, because usually when the whole sweep breaks off, the head of that bolt likes to spin. And the other thing is, the battery gun, we had to send it off to get repaired. So I'm gonna have to use a ratchet, which is not gonna make that easy. That's gonna suck big time. Oh my goodness. Look how that's wearing. I've never seen one do that before. Man, that's one of the sweeps that we brought that had the weld on it already. Okay. Maybe more of these things are getting worn out than I realized. Yeah, yikes. Yikes, yikes, yikes. I'm gonna try and get the most wear as possible out of them though. Make sure everything else looks fine back here where it's hard to see. Okay, guess I'll wait on them to bring those tools. So Danny brought everything except for the sweeps, you guys. He had to go back and get some sweeps, but I forgot Danny has this little gun here, so that definitely worked pretty good. He's gonna go and get me some sweeps, and I'll get that one replaced. Of course, that nut stayed on there and it just pulled through the hole, so that's good. That's good when it does that. I told him to bring me some vice grips in case I needed to hold the head of it to keep it from spinning, but anyway, we got that one off. I'm waiting on them to get back, you guys. Alright, you guys, we are set to go now. I can get back on this this rabbit race. I reckon I'll get this side of the road knocked out now, you guys. Alright, you guys, we are done with this farm already. And Dan hasn't made it here yet. So I'm guessing I'm probably about 25 or 30 acres ahead of him, which is good. Anyway, we're heading on to the next field, you guys. There's one more field on this road I gotta hit, then we'll go to another farm. We're coming up to Beaver Dam at the new culvert. I know y'all waiting on that video. Woo, look at that water level. Oh man, that's right. Y'all are in for a treat. Make sure that you subscribe so that you'll know when that video comes out. Dan's got that field bedded up. That's where we were parked at. See them bedded up rows? Looking good out there. I'm gonna knock out this little tiny field right quick. Looks like Rudy not too long ago mowed that field. And then on this side is a field that he got planted not too long ago as well. And we have arrived at this field. It's probably about 8 acres maybe. Won't take me long to knock this one out. And there's my ride. I absolutely forgot to show you guys the peanut beds while I was over at the field where Dan got bedded up. I was talking to Danny so much. But anyway, we'll see him after a while. Alrighty, you guys, we are arriving back to the tractor from lunch. So I actually just went ahead and changed those other 2 sweeps up front since they was so worn looking before they break off. And yep, gonna get back to it. Wait a minute, what's going on? Seems like I'm losing power. Don't tell me that. power loss thing is happening again, like when I was ripping you guys. No, 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 no. Yeah, you guys, I shouldn't be struggling to pull this cultivator in 10th gear. And I mean, it's weak, but I don't see any warning indicators on the screen here. Oh boy. So I just shut the tractor off and started it back up. I'm gonna take off again and see what it does. Let's see. Let me put you guys back here. Watch from back here. Alright, so now she's pulling like she's supposed to. I don't know. I do not know. Well, anyway, I'm gonna keep running it. See what it does. So I've cultivated about 12 acres since I last checked in, and tractor's been doing fine, you guys. Thank the Lord. All right, you guys, we are at Father Beaver Dam field. That's the entrance right there to Beaver Dam above the lodge. I'm not going in there, but when I get down here to Father Beaver Dam entrance, I am gonna go in and take a peek since I got time. We actually are gonna get off early today and go and watch Dan's daughter play a baseball game. Well, I am anyway. Dan has been definitely supporting her in her games. And I said, you know what? Since this is her last year in high school, and I've never been to a baseball game, I want to go and check her out in support of her in her last year of high school. So, yes indeed. We are at the entrance. We're gonna see what it looks like in here. I can remember when his daughter was just a baby and he would bring her and let his mother babysit, let Becky babysit her. Yes, that's right. Oh my goodness, see, that thing always catches hold of me. I've been on the farm for 19 years, you guys, for those of you who don't know, 19 years. So I've basically known her all her life. And I figured it would be good to go and check her out. I tell you, man, time flies, man. The years fly. Young people ain't young people no more. They growing up. Gotta cherish those years, man. Gotta cherish those years. But let's see what it's looking like out here, you guys. Oh yeah, looking good. Looking good. That water was looking sort of stagnant down that way, but it's flowing. I see now. It's flowing good. Y'all see it flowing there? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, good deal. Good deal. I'm gonna get ready and wrap the video on up, you guys. I've been thinking ever since I started cultivating today how fast I'm getting over the acres. It's like a huge difference between chisel plowing. So that's been like a real awesome change for me. I've covered today probably what it took 2 days with the chisel plow. And I probably would finish today if I wasn't stopping early to go to the game. But you know, the Lord just wanted me to encourage some of you, hey, sometimes change in life is needed. Change is good. but it can be painful at times, because when we get up out of our comfort zone, you know, we're not used to the norm. We start getting in unfamiliar territory, and when we're not in familiar territory, you know, it's sort of nerve-wracking. But in the long run, there are some things that, yeah, I believe the Spirit of the Lord has been speaking to some of you about, to where you need to go ahead and make the transition and do some changing, some rearranging in your life, and it'll be for the better. The process, like I said, may be tedious and trying, but in the long run, that change will be much needed, and you'll be grateful for it. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching on today. Don't forget to smash the like button for us. Throw a comment in the comment section. Let me know what's on your mind. That's right, we got victory here at Father Beaver Dam. Jesus Christ is Lord, to the glory of God the Father. You guys stay blessed. You guys keep encouraged. And as always, we'll see you in the next one. Go! Yeah.